Good evening, guys. Sorry for the delay. Welcome back to market analysis. So today, let's look at what happened today and what is the forecast for tomorrow. So today, if you see, currently the market is SGS Nifty is trading around 15,037. Global markets are in red. Bitcoin has fallen almost 57,000 to 33,000 levels today in less than 10-11 days. So if you see today, market opened around 15,050 levels, which is the 0.786 Fibonacci. Took support around there. It went till 15,011, 130. Okay, 15,130 levels, and most whole day it was trading around that range. It closed after 2:30. A small pullback came. We tried to close below 15,020, but again it took the stop loss triggered. Again it took the move to 15,060 levels. Then after 250, 245, again it came back and it finally closed below 15,030. So what we expect for tomorrow? This is a shooting star. So market will open in red for tomorrow. So gap down. So it may try to fill the previous gap of 14,940 to 14,900 levels. So again, this is an expiry move, and again a healthy move should have a retest and gap fillings. So it will fill the gap. So coming to the open interest wise, 14,900 and 15,000. 15,000 is having a reasonable support. 14,900 is having a good support. 15,100 is having a huge resistance. So this is going to be the range for weekly expiry, which is tomorrow. So guys, again, this is only intraday setup. Again, the market is still bullish because FIs has considerably increased their long positions, almost 3% today. Yesterday it was like 56%. Now it was 59. So they are increasing their longs. Already clients are in long positions, which are retailers. So even if you see last week, the long short ratio of FIA was close to 40-60. So 40% was the longs and 60% was shorts. So now this week the sentiment has changed. FIA started buying. I think today in cash segment they have sold, but in future index they are long, hedged with option put shorts, almost close to 50%. So the outlook is the short term for tomorrow it is bearish, and for medium term this is bullish. So market will try to touch these levels in the coming week, 15,200, 300 levels, and we have to watch out for that. So again, I had mentioned in my first video, which is posted like last week. If you check that, you can have the outlook for the next week. Like coming weeks, like 5 to 6 periods, 6 weeks of time period. So coming to Bank Nifty, again it is a shooting star pattern. Gap has to be filled. 33,300 to 500 levels. Gap needs to be filled. So tomorrow it may fill that. Today it was a very small range to 33,900 to 600 levels. Whole day it was consolidating and range mode. Coming to the open interest at 33,500, 33,000 is having a huge support. 34,000 is having the huge resistance. So this is going to be the levels for expiry tomorrow. So I'm getting into stock specific actions. Reliance was a good show today. It opened around 1,119.82 and went till 2,115. It kept the momentum of the Nifty throughout the day. Then again, it dragged up, it pulled back. So all the actions were there in Reliance today, left and right. HDFC Bank, it has to fill the gap. Again, a resistance at 14,090 levels, 85 to 90 levels. ICICI Bank, shooting star pattern. Yes, it will fill the gap. So let's look at the momentum and breakout stocks for tomorrow. Ambuja Cements. This is the day chart. Ambuja Cements has given a sell signal because it is in the resistance zone. If you look into the 1 hour chart, yes, selling has happened. Let's look out for the PRB breakout below this level. If there is a move, I'm expecting yes, quick scalp for intraday. If it stays above this, I mean, like this has to sustain above 325 levels to move up. So please look for the PRB method tomorrow. Bajaj Auto around bottom consolidation here. It is exactly the resistance area. Look out for a breakout around 4239. Ashoka has made a falling channel panel falling falling wedge channel pattern and flag pattern. So it has given a breakout above that, above 87. It is in the first resistance. So above this PRB method, I will look for a short term to medium term for a quick like short term to medium, which is like 3 months to 6 months for 95, 96 levels and 100 levels. We can look for very little quantity. Force Motors gave a very good move today. High volume stock. So let's look if there is a PRB today, PRB breakout, and enter for a quick scalp. Jamna Auto, yes, it is in the resistance zone, but today it made a huge breakout. See guys, it is like a falling wedge and then breakout. So look for a PRB. Kajaria Ceramics, Age India, New India Assurance Limited, Sriram City Union. Sriram City Union is already in the 52-week high. Let's look at the weekly chart. Yes, it has made a rounding bottom. So above this, it will look for 1823 and 2000 levels. Short-term, medium-term picks, 6 months to 1 year. V-guard, the same pattern, rounding pattern, or cup and handle pattern. Good volumes today. Bajaj Holdings, yes, it has made a wonderful move. This is a weekly chart. Let's look into the day chart today. Yes, it is in the resistance area. So break up about this. I'm looking for 10 to 15% move. VIP Industries. If you look into our earlier picks, CDSL, Birla Corporation, and yesterday we took Adani Enterprises, Adani Green, Adani Trans, and Adani Power. Look at all these guys. Everything in green. Adani Enterprise. So everything is a intraday setup. High momentum stocks. Adani Enterprises gave a good move in the morning, and then it made a pullback. Let's look at the first 15 minutes candle. I think it started with a good move. Yes, made a gap up, and then it went till 1350. Sorry, it opened at 1348, started falling down. See guys, Adani Green, Adani Trans, Adani Power, everything was in green. So if you look into, guys, gold has given a breakout. It has given a breakout. So sustain above this 1008, 850 to, so above these levels in the weekly close. I'm expecting another close to $2,500 move. 1,884 to 2,500 levels. It has given a huge breakout. The first will be like close to 1965, 1950, and then second will be 2000. So keep this in radar, guys. Gold investment. Silver. Yes. But this case, it has given a breakout. Sustain above 72,000 in the weekly close. That will be another 5 to at least a minimum of 5,000 more points more. So if you found this information is useful, please like and subscribe and press the bell button. Thanks, guys.